time. And you must remain seated at all times. And please keep all hands and arms inside the cars at all times, because that's something you're reaching for. It might want you a little bit more than you wanted. So sit back and relax and enjoy your ride as we head to Marthasville train station. Everybody do one big favor for me. Stick one hand in the air and wave goodbye to our station master, the air. Say bye, the air.
Bye.
Alright, in just a few moments we'll be on our way to Marthasville, Georgia. Marthasville, Georgia is home to the Georgia Scorcher and the Georgia Cyclone. Alright guys, we're on our way to Marthasville, Georgia. Guys, we are headed through the backwoods area of Gotham City. Gotham City is home to Batman, Mindbender, and Gotham City Crime. Coming up on your right hand side, we have the Mean Green Mindbender. The Mindbender was the first of its kind to make a balloon. The Mindbender will be sure to make your mind. On your left hand side, the blue dome is Shake, Rattle, and Roll. Shake, Rattle, and Roll will shake, rattle, and roll you right into the 1950s. Coming up on your right hand side, we have our oldest water park. Our oldest water ride. It is Long Jamboree. As we pass Long Jamboree, we might see a few folks smiling and waving at us, so make sure you smile and wave at them. If we go fast through the section with Long Jamboree, maybe just maybe we won't get wet. Everybody look to your left, look up in the air, the orange and steel blue roller coaster is Goliath. Goliath takes you up 200 feet and takes you to a speed of 70 miles an hour. On your right hand side, we are about to pass the Georgia Scorcher. The Georgia Scorcher is our only stand-up roller coaster. And currently, Georgia Scorcher is being sponsored by Georgia Natural Gas. Georgia Natural Gas is doing a picture Speak to the Fire. We are now entering through the promenade section of the park. Promenade is home to the entry and exit way of the park, and it is home to the Johnny Rocket, Papa John, and many others. Make sure you pick up a wonderful souvenir at Looney Tunes Expo. That's where everybody goes to pick up their wonderful souvenir. And maybe if you have time, go pick up a wonderful slice of pizza at Papa John's. Well, folks, coming up on your right-hand side has the Georgia Cyclone. The Cyclone is an exact replica of a famous roller coaster on the island of New York. Well, folks, the Cyclone has brought us to Marthasville train station. And here at Marthasville, you have two options. You can either stay aboard this train or you can exit here. Once again, my name is Austin, and I would like to thank you for riding this wonderful train.
Somebody lost his shirt on that one.
Please remain seated until the whistle blows. Once again, it has been my pleasure serving you. I hope each and last one of you have a Six Flags day. It is now safe for everyone to exit.